What action am I taking to reduce my carbon footprint?
Well, of course we recycle.
Recycling prevents the emissions of many greenhouse gases and water pollutants and saves energy.
Using recovered material generates less solid waste. Also, when products are made by using recovered rather than virgin materials, less energy is used during manufacturing and fewer pollutants are emitted.
We also use biodegradable poop bags for our daily walks.
For the dogs, honey.
Ah, yes, of course, the dogs. The humans are house-trained.
We also insulate our home and use a tankless water heater.
All insulation materials reduce pollutant and greenhouse gas emissions by reducing heating and air conditioning requirements for a building.
Since tankless water heaters only operate when there's a hot water demand, they consume much less energy than conventional systems. Additionally, tankless water heaters produce fewer carbon emissions than their traditional counterparts.
But the biggest impact we make as individuals is living a vegan lifestyle.
Eating a vegan diet could be the single biggest way to reduce environmental impact on Earth. Researchers at the University of Oxford found that cutting meat and dairy products from your diet could reduce an individual's carbon footprint from food by up to 73%.
Did you know that you save more water by not eating a pound of beef than if you stopped showering for 6 months?
Did you know that if every American ate one fewer chicken meal per week, the carbon dioxide saved would be equivalent to removing 500,000 cars off the road?
Did you know that more than 70% of the grains grown in the United States are fed to farmed animals?
Here are some of the worst offenders when it comes to greenhouse gas emissions.
This graph includes processing, transporting, and waste removal.
This graph comes from the Food and Agriculture Organization of the UN.
What goes into producing 1 pound of beef? 2,900 gallons of water, 25 pounds of feed, 1,345 square feet of land, and that does not include processing, transporting, and waste removal.
I know we're getting a bit preachy, but here's one last interesting statistic.
Did you know that you could remove 1 ton of carbon emissions by switching from a regular car to a hybrid?
Did you know that you could remove 1.5 tons of carbon emissions by going vegan?
Now you know.